In some horrific incident, now the Bikaner Guwahati Express got derailed near Domhani. This is in the northern part of West Bengal. More details are awaited, but that's the latest we're getting in terms of this train mishap, where a derailment has been reported of the Bikaner Guwahati Express near Domhani in northern part of West Bengal. Well, we're waiting for more details, but as far as this train mishap goes, we just have this small piece of information, tragic news coming in there with regards to Bikaner Guwahati Express that got derailed near Domhani. And this place in Domhani is in the northern part of Bengal. Of course, we have to wait and watch if there are injuries out there. But for now, the only information that we have with us that we're bringing to you viewers is that a train mishap is been reported with the Bikaner Guwahati Express, where the train got derailed in the northern part of West Bengal in this place called Domhani. As you can see, we're bringing out visuals of the train mishap where there are several bogies of the train seem to have derailed. There are several passengers also who seem to have escaped and waiting around the train. This place is in Domhani in the northern part of West Bengal. We of course have to wait and watch if there are any casualties or injuries reported and what is the status of the rescue operation. Our correspondent will soon get us details of the same, but these are the very first visuals of the train mishap, the train tragedy that has been reported in Domhani in West Bengal. And this is the Bikaner Guwahati Express train that we're seeing the visuals of the Bikaner Guwahati Express train that was passing through the northern part of Bengal in Domhani. You can see several bogies have turned topsy-turvy in this village. It seems to be the outskirts of a village. Several passengers and railway officials have surrounded the train. Rescue operations are underway, trying to look out for people who are injured, rushing them to the hospital. We can see rescue officials, some of them have reached the spot in time and have already started pulling out people, rescuing them to safety. Of course, we have to wait and watch if there are any certain casualties or injuries in the train mishap. But then as of now, this is the latest we're getting in terms of the Bikaner Guwahati Express train that has derailed in the northern part of West Bengal. Okay, we'll try and get you more details regarding this mishap, but for now, some more details, in fact, have come in terms of the bogies that were derailed. It is the sleeper coaches. So that you heard it there, the officials also still figuring out if there is any casualty number with regards to the derailment of the Bikaner Guwahati train.
ट्रेन कौन सा ट्रेन था?
ये गुवाहाटी एक्सप्रेस है।
कहाँ से कहाँ जाना था?
हमको जाना था न्यू जलपाईगुड़ी से बंगाई को जाना था।
हाँ, तो कैजुअलिटी
तो 2-4 डब्बा पूरा बुरी तरह से कैजुअलिटी हुआ है। 2-4 डब्बा, पीछे वाला डब्बा, आगे में भी 1-2 डब्बा।
क्यों हुआ ये?
ओवर स्पीड होगा।
Down have got derailed in Domhani, which is in Bengal. Rescue officials have reached the spot, as we can see through our visuals. Several passengers also out there, trying. They're also trying their level best to help out all those in need. Of course, we have to wait and watch how many people are injured. As you can see, at least 6 to 7 bogies have turned upside down in Domhani, and this is the Bikaner Guwahati Express that got derailed. For all the viewers who have just tuned in, this is the biggest news update at this hour. The Bikaner Guwahati Express that derailed just a short while ago in Domhani in the northern part of Bengal, in the outskirts of a village, and these are the very first visuals that we're getting to you from this train mishap. Let me go across to my correspondent Kundan Singh, who's joining me with more details. Kundan, what's the latest? We see at least 5 to 6 bogies that have got derailed this Bikaner Guwahati Expressway. What more can you tell us?
या बिल्कुल शाम 5 बजे का ये इंसिडेंट है और गुवाहाटी से बीकानेर ट्रेन जा रही थी और वहां पे कम से कम 6 डब्बे उनके डीरेल होके पटरी से उतरे हैं और ज्यादातर स्लीपर्स बोगी के जो होते हैं वो उतरे हैं और ऑलरेडी हालांकि जो डैमेज काफी है और लोग घायल भी हुए हैं, लेकिन जो रेलवे की प्रायोरिटीज है कि आसपास के 2 डिवीजन से अलीपुर द्वार और से वहां से जो एक्सीडेंट जो हेल्प ट्रेन होती है उनकी मूवमेंट की गई है और रेलवे की प्रायोरिटीज है कि कम से कम जो पैसेंजर्स हैं वो सेफ निकाले जा सके, जो इंजर्ड है उनका बेसिक ट्रीटमेंट किया जा सके और इसके बाद अगर जरूरत पड़ती है तो इसके बाद उन ट्रेन के डैमेज डब्बों को हटा के जो बाकी ट्रेन के हिस्से बच गए उनको लेके वहां से मूवमेंट किया जाए और उसको सेफ डेस्टिनेशन के लिए मूव किया जाए। सो कुल मिला के एक मेजर एक्सीडेंट्स के तौर पर आप इसको देख सकते हैं।